Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just like this amazing install that I'm wearing. Like, this hair is so bomb, and would y'all believe it, it's a closure. It's not even like a front or nothing, but I didn't want to do like any baby hairs. I wanted it to just be really natural and just really just like effortless, and I think I pulled that off. So if you want to see how I took this hair from that to this, then you should definitely keep on watching. Shout outs to Wig-Juliahair for sponsoring this video. Please like this video, please subscribe, and let's just like hop into the video. Okay guys, so let's get into this hair. This hair is from Wig-Juliahair, and they sent me their 32-inch 5x5 HD Jerry curly lace wig. Oh my god, that was a mouthful, but guys, this hair is bomb. When I say bomb, it is so bomb, and the lace is definitely HD. Look at that. As soon as I put it on without even having the wig on my head, it just blended into my skin. Guys, on first impressions, I could tell that this hair was good quality. The hair felt really amazing, and it had body without me even like combing it out, and it's true to length. I definitely like stretched it out to see it's definitely a 32-inch. And guys, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Skin Protect to clean my skin and just have it ready for the install. And then I use my Ebon Lace Tint, and I'm just putting that on the lace. And guys, I'm gonna go in with my Bold Hold lace glue. That's what the hair is looking like, guys, and I just love the lace on this. Like, it just melts so easily. The lace on this is amazing. Fix the areas that I missed. And yeah, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on cool once more, and then I'll just spray the Ebon spray over top. Guys, a closure wig is the way to go, especially a HD lace closure. You don't need a frontal, and I feel like it's so much easier than doing a frontal, especially if you are a beginner to wigs. This is definitely for you, where you don't have to worry about laying a complete lace. Like, I forgot how clutch closure wigs were. This closure wig is bomb. I rated a 10 out of 10. The lace is great, the hair is great. The hair is so full for 32 inches. I did not expect this hair to be full, but yeah guys, if you're interested in this hair, please check out the description box below. When I tell you this hair is nice, it's nice. I definitely approve this hair. So after laying that down, guys, I'm just gonna tie my hair down with my elastic band. You definitely need to tie your hair down just so it can melt. And for this style, I didn't want to do any baby hairs. I just wanted it to look like it was coming out of my scalp. So that's what I did. After tying my hair down and it dried, I definitely went in with my tweezers, and I did pluck some of the hair from the front. The plucking is very optional. You can wear it without plucking it, but I just wanted to pluck it in the front just to like customize it, and that's what I did. I'm gonna go in and detangle the hair, and then I went in with some water, and then I went in with some mousse. I used this Lotta Body, I think that's what it's called, this Lotta Body mousse that I found at the beauty supply store. It was my first time using it, but I love how it made the look, and it wasn't like a crunchy kind of mousse. It didn't dry down and make the hair crunchy. The hair was still pretty soft when I was done, so I like this mousse, and you can definitely like try it. But yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in and detangle the hair and also define the curls. And I'm just fixing my part, and as you can see, it is 5 by 5. You can part your hair all the way back, and I added some parting to the hair versus how it came. So I made my part go all the way back, which to me makes it look even more natural. And yeah, then we're just gonna go in and define the curls. And oh, before doing that, guys, I went in with my Style Factor Edge Booster, and I do go in with a hot comb. Even though it's curly here, I like my part to lay pretty flat, so I'm going in with a hot comb, and I'm not bringing it all the way down. I'm just doing it at the roots, so the root will be flat. And then, guys, what I do to get that extremely flat look at the top is just part the closure area out and go in between it bit by bit and add the wax stick, use the hot comb, and then continue doing that until I have the whole closure like hot combed, and the roots will just like lay, so the hair at the top will be really flat and it won't have like that bumpy wiggy look. So if you're wearing like a closure, definitely go in and part your closure, add like a whatever wax stick you use, and go in with your hot comb in small sections until you have it laying really flat. Because even if it's curly hair, you still want it to have that flat look. Like to me, the flat laid look just gives you that fresh salon vibe, like you went and got your hair done when you really didn't, you did it yourself. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing, and I think after that it's pretty much self-explanatory. We're not doing any baby hairs, so just like keep on watching. And guys, if you like this hair, definitely check out the description box and definitely check out Wig-Juliahair. I approve this hair. I love this wig. Like, I love it. I didn't know I was gonna like love it, but I love it. The hair is bomb. The closure is bomb. The lace is bomb. But yeah, guys, keep on watching and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your family and your friends. Yeah, I love you guys. Keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy? Thinking of you, I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself, and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy? Thinking of you, I don't usually get